Hello everyone, this is my second tutorial in a series of basics of crochet. Welcome to my channel Arcus Studio by Vandana. I am crocheting for last 40 years and now I finally decided to document my crochet journey through video tutorials. Today let's begin with the most important material of crochet, that is the yarn. How to choose the perfect yarn for each of your project and how they work with hooks to create magic. Yarns can be natural or synthetic. There are many brands available across the world. Yarns also come in different thicknesses from fine to chunky. We call them lace, sport, decay yarn, worsted yarn, bulky weight yarn. Now let's take a closer look at different types of yarns and what makes each one so special. Acrylic yarn. It's synthetic, one of the most accessible, inexpensive, soft, long lasting, available in all thicknesses, thin, thick, bulky, bright, colorful, and easy to wash. Highly recommended worsted, medium, thick yarn for beginners with 3.5 mm to 5 mm hook size. Popular for variety of projects such as shawls, sweaters, beanies, etc. Disadvantage: unbreathable and synthetic. Cotton yarn. It's natural, offers excellent stitch definition. It's breathable, strong, soft, absorbent, comfortable and ideal for dishcloth, summer clothing, home decor and amigurumi toys. Generally, hook size used for this yarn is 2 mm to 3 mm. Disadvantage: no stretch possible, color bleeding possible and shrinkage. T-shirt yarn, natural or synthetic, very thick, made out of t-shirt material, used for baskets, doormats, table mats or bags. Hook size used is 6 to 8 mm or above. Disadvantage: too thick to work with. Raffia or jute. It's a natural yarn, little stiffer to work with but ideal for bags and baskets. Hook size 3 mm and above. Few colors available. Disadvantage: not a soft yarn to handle. Embroidery yarn, synthetic or silky. It's very fine to work with, soft on hands, used for jewelry, bookmarks, flowers, borders or any tiny items. Hook size used less than 1.5 mm. Disadvantage: not easy to work with as it's too thin and slippery. Bulky or Chinneil yarn, mostly synthetic, very thick as name suggests, stitches are not so clear. Baskets, blankets, plushies are made out of this bulky yarn. Hook size used is 8 mm onwards. Disadvantage: it's more expensive, very heavy to work with, requires large costly needles. Fancy, textured or novelty yarn. They are mostly synthetic, highly used for decorating amigurumi toys or ideal for some borders or making frills, etc. Disadvantage: avoid these at the beginner's level as stitches can't be visible, which makes it difficult to work with. Hook size depends on the thickness of the yarn. Now that you know about many different types of yarns, let's look at some quick tips to make your yarn selection easier. Number 1. Select light color yarn as a beginner, which shows all stitches clearly. Number 2. Always wash your hands before you touch your work when work is in progress. Number 3. Buy enough yarn for your project to complete. Number 4. Avoid too thin or too thick yarn to start when you are still learning. Number 5. Experiment with different yarns and find what feels comfortable to you. Number 6. For multicolor projects, use all colors from the same brand to keep thickness consistent. Number 7. Any kind of yarn or thread can be used for crocheting beautiful things. Number 8. Thicker yarns make your projects grow faster, while thinner ones are great for neat and delicate designs. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Pick your yarn, grab your hook, and let's make something beautiful. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to comment, ask questions in the comment box, and follow me. Till then, bye. Happy crocheting.